welcome to the online coaching. Myself Chirag Joshi. Dear students, how are you all? I hope you are well. Dear students, today we are going to learn new method, that is using step deviation method to find out mean. Dear students, we have already discussed two methods. First method was direct method. Second method was, yes, say loudly, it was assuming mean method. Third one is step deviation method. Dear students, formula you are knowing. What is the formula? Formula for step deviation is x bar equals to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. Okay, dear students, same question I am taking. I am talking about example number 2. This is the same example. Okay. With the help of this example, I have taught you direct method and assuming mean method. Same thing. You are knowing what answer we are getting of the mean. Answer is 39.71. The same example I am taking. I am not changing the digit also. Example number 2. This is example of the textbook. Okay. Using step deviation method. In this example, they have given us the class interval between 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45 and so on till 85, and frequencies they have given 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2 and 1, nothing else. Okay. Now, how to start? Here I will write total. You are knowing the total of the frequency, that is known as sigma fi, and that is 35. Xi. I taught you how to find out Xi. Today, I will repeat it again for you. 15 plus 25, 40 divided by 2, that is 20. 25 plus 35, 60 divided by 2, that is 30. I told you, use your now common sense. What is the gap? Gap is of 10. Okay. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Clear? Okay. The main thing is to find out ui. Dear students, you should know ui equals to xi minus a divided by h. What is h? H is the class length. Okay. I will explain each and everything. Let us assume a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is odd number. So I can select this one as a 3 here and 3 here. Okay. See here. This is a. What is our formula? xi minus a. xi is 20. A is 50. 20 minus 50, that is minus 30. Okay. Now what is h? See here. H means upper limit minus lower limit. 25 minus 50, that is what? 10. Each and every class has same limit. See, 35 minus 25, 10. 45 minus 35, 10. Okay. So, your answer should be here. One I will do for you. That is 20 minus 50 divided by 10. Answer is minus 30 divided by 10. 0, 0 deducted. Minus 3. Here it is minus 3. 30 minus 50. Minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10. That is minus 2. Now simply write here in this way. 50 minus 50. 0. 0 by 10. That is 0. 60 minus 50, that is 10. 10 divided by 10, 1, 2, 3. Student, this is the beauty of this method, step deviation. Whatever you are assuming A, there will be 0, fix. There will be 0. Then, first one you have to do. Suppose you are getting your answer minus 3, then you have to write down minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Again, 1, 2, 3. See. Clear? Now, FIUI. 6 into 3, that is minus 18. 11 into minus 2, minus 22. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 3, 3. Here will be sigma Fi Ui, means addition. Okay, dear students? Learn each and everything very properly. See here, 18 minus 18 means first of all we will add all this minus 1, that is 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 7, carry 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4. Answer is minus 47. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Plus minus, minus, sign will be of greater. 47 minus 1, 6, 4 minus 1, that is 3. Answer is minus 36. X bar equals to A, that is 50, plus sigma FIUI. Dear students, sigma FIUI, that is minus 36, divided by sigma Fi, 35, into H, that is 10. It means 50 plus. Answer of this thing, dear students, minus 36. You can do one thing also. Plus minus, minus. You can change directly sign here. Minus 36 into 10, 360, divided by 35. Dear student, answer is 39.71. You can check it. Because 360 divided by 35, that is 10.28. 50 minus 10.28, you will get the answer 39.71. Dear students, I hope you are able to understand all three methods. Now, one more sum I will do. With the help of that sum, you will understand all three methods. That sum will be of the textbook. Okay, dear students? So, textbook sum I will solve here. Then, you have to practice remaining sums. Thank you, dear students. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.